Hey future business leaders, thinking of starting your own company? Here's a checklist for you. First, prepare your memorandum and articles of association. These outline your company's rules and structure. They are like the blueprint of your business. Next, secure your incorporation certificate. It's proof that your business is registered officially. Lastly, gather details on your directors and shareholders. Knowing who is in charge and who owns what is crucial for transparency and governance. Having all these documents ensures that your company's compliance is in check, highlighting your business as more trustworthy and reliable in the eyes of investors and clients alike. Want to know more about the ins and outs of compliance and corporate governance? Then make sure to like, subscribe,